Hello dear students. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the classification of acids based on the three different bases depending on their sources, depending on their concentration and depending on their basicity. The different types of acids based on the following three types. And during this discussion one term has been exposed, that is the concentration of an acid, also the strength of the acid. So what is the main difference of these two terms, concentration of an acid versus strength of the acid? Now, very important critical thinking based question frequently come in your examination. Concentration of an acid simply tells us the amount of water present in the acid and not at all the strength of the acid. So it is quite different. These two terms are quite different. Concentration of an acid simply tells us the amount of water present in an acid. But strength of an acid is the measure. It is the measure of concentration of hydronium ions, or it is denoted by H3O third bracket plus. As I have already discussed with you, it produces in its aqueous solution So the second point we can write under these differences, when we call an acid as a concentrated acid, the more an acid is in dry form, that means less or no amount of water or H2O present in it, more the acid will be concentrated. Students, also struck in your mind that all the differences should be written in tabular form. It is a good representation. It will be the good representation. And now, the strength of the acid. The strength of an acid depends on the degree of ionization. The symbol of degree of ionization is alpha, and the concentration of hydronium ions, H3O third bracket plus, produced by that acid in aqueous solution. So one question arises that what do you mean by degree of ionization? Very important and interesting topic. Degree of ionization, or alpha, is equal to number of acid molecules ionized divided by total number of acid molecules present in aqueous solution in 200. That means it is calculated in terms of its percentage value among the total number of acid molecules, whatever the number of total number of acid molecules present in an aqueous solution of it. How many acid molecules will be ionized? Not all acid molecules ionized. It may be ionized. All acid molecules will be ionized. It may be, but sometimes in case of a strong acid, most of the or all the acid molecules will be ionized. But in case of a weak acid, less number of acid molecules will be ionized. So it is a percentage value. Now, after the whole discussion, we can conclude that when we call an acid a strong acid, or when an acid will be a weak acid. It is based on this calculation. If the degree of ionization, or alpha, for an acid or whatever base or salt, any substance in their aqueous solution, if the value of degree of ionization is greater than 30%, then it is strong acid or strong base or strong salt. And if it is less than 30%, then it will be weak. Take a screenshot, or better to write down the whole thing with me, as your class notes. Okay, fine. Lastly, after the whole discussion, I think all of your concept has been clear enough, so that you can draw an inference, that is, among dilute hydrochloric acid and a highly concentrated acetic acid, which one is stronger acid? Yes, the answer will be dilute HCl, or hydrochloric acid. Is stronger acid than even a highly concentrated acetic acid, or CH3COOH. CH3COOH, or acetic acid, is a weak acid, and hydrochloric acid, or HCl, is a strong acid. We can explain it by the concept of degree of ionization. That is, number of acid molecules ionized divided by total number of acid molecules present in the aqueous solution into 100. That's all for today. I think you have been benefited from such videos. If you like my teaching, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and keep on watching more and more new videos, which will be uploaded very soon. For that, you have to wait slightly, and please share these videos Till then, bye-bye.